Risk Management Association of India is proud to launch the first ever online certificate course on risk management. RMAI is an NGO engaged in promotion of risk management discipline in India and overseas countries for more than 28 years. In business, risk is inevitable, and in order to achieve success, people need to make smart risk decisions to improve the chance of reward. This course has been curated keeping in mind the increasing need of risk management practices in our dynamic business environment. The course will give you a detailed insight about the practical use of risk management, principles and practice. Besides our video lectures, you will also get access to additional reading resources including latest report on risk management around the world. A brief overview of the course. Online e-learning modules spread over 8 weeks, 8 modules on risk management, quiz after each module to check understanding of the subject, live sessions by risk management experts on weekends, additional reading resources on each module, project on risk management, final exam by remote invigilation. This course covers following 8 modules along with the final project and assessment. Introduction to risk management, understanding environment and stakeholders, risk strategies and corporate governance, risk management framework, risk management process, emerging risk, types of risks, models for estimation of risk, and project and assessment. The USP of the course is video lectures on each module, special crafted topics by experts to help in practical application in risk management. View the lectures at your convenient time 24/7. View recorded versions of live sessions. Attempt quiz in each module to check your level of understanding. Additional reading material on each topic with latest reports on risk management around the world. Get dual certification from Risk Management Association of India and Association of Internal Control Professionals, London. Highly subsidized course in comparison to similar international courses. A sample lecture of our course.
Hello friends, welcome everyone. Chapter of the course is focusing on the importance of strategy and corporate governance. Both plays a key role in the success of risk management. Just knowing the risk management is not enough, but knowing all the surrounding areas is important. Most companies in the past have failed due to either poor strategies or not finding the risks within their strategy or holes in the corporate governance. First, we shall cover strategy. The idea to introduce what is strategy, what are the components of strategy, why strategy is important from risk management point of view, and some details about risk management strategies. Business realities. Business realities are constantly changing with a lot of choices with the customer, changing competitive landscape and emerging business ideas. Resources are limited and so the capital. Both have migrating skills. Capital and resources move from one country to another. Investors are looking for more return, and in the current landscape, there are challenging times with investors looking for survival due to coronavirus and likely downturn in the economy. Regulations are also constantly changing, with new regulations incorporating new economic realities and customers' need. The good example is RBI giving moratorium on the loan. On the other hand, Technical social landscape is also changing with the development of machine learning, artificial intelligence, data analytics, social media, digitalization, etc. The entire ecosystem is dynamic in nature and present both risks and opportunities. So, how we should manage the business? We need a systematic thinking while we can navigate in the dynamic landscape to succeed. This is not easy and we need a strategy or can say a skill along the determined path to reach the destination on time and on the strategy made. Strategy. Strategy is about determining the direction and the scope of an organization over the long term period, that it should determine how resources should be used to meet the demand of the market and the stakeholders. Strategy is also defined as utilization of organization's resources, skills, and competencies to create competitive advantage. The strategic decision in the corporate sector is about creating a path for the future of the organization towards a choice of buyer segment within competition through cost leadership and product differentiation delivered through most optimized resources. This proposition should help the business achieve sustainable competitive advantage, which is difficult for competition to copy. However, the strategy is exposed to many risks through internal and external environments. The external environment brings risk from macroeconomic factor, general business environment, industry, competitive environment, etc. The internal environment brings risk from organization policies, culture, political dynamics, leadership, etc. The strategic attitude, mindset, risk appetite, and strategic skill bring additional risk to the strategy. Competitive and corporate strategy. Competitive strategy is about single business unit, while corporate strategy refer to overall strategy of an organization that is made up of multiple business units operating in multiple market. It determines how the corporate as a whole support and enhance the value of the business unit within it, and it answers the question how to structure the overall business so that all its parts create more value together and they would be individually. Vision statement provide the organization with destination, a big picture that the organization want to attain. Next statement is a guiding light to reach the destination. It is a general statement to achieve vision, and this statement is called mission statement. Along with the mission statement and vision statement, there are core values. This is about how to behave while on the path in the attainment of the vision. Core values define the organization in terms of principles and values the leadership will follow in carrying out the activities of the organization. Statements of vision and mission are important so that everyone involved in the organization, including outside stakeholders, understand what the organization will accomplish and how it will accomplish. In essence, this means keeping everyone on the same page so they all are pulling in the same direction. There is a close relationship between vision and mission. As vision statement is static, a mental picture of what you want to achieve. The mission statement is dynamic process of how the vision will be accomplished.
Here are a few screenshots of our quiz. Some additional resources and industry reports that we give at the end of each module. Apart from the course, we provide lots of value additions in the course. Complimentary student membership of RMAI for 1 year, where you can continuously update your knowledge on the subject of risk management and upgrade your skill set with various initiatives of RMAI during the year. Complimentary 1 year subscription to online edition of journal The Insurance Times or Banking Finance. Career opportunity section on the website of RMAI, rmiindia.org, which will have list for all new openings and opportunities in risk management and related fields. Opportunity for publication of research paper and articles in RMAI Bulletin and other platforms. Free ebook on risk management. Participate in webinars conducted during the period. This is a sample certificate that we are awarding after completion of the course. Join the course today. For any query, please reach out to us on 907-3791-022 or 82320-83010 or email us at info@rmiindia.org or visit our website www.rmiindia.org.